kama nabakunda tera kusima kama mnoga watezo msho ijaha kandi abamkuru wanje na bishop n'undi bishop nawe cyo kitakabewa oka ni sima mnoga kama abokuba twatanzanye kandi tukundana kandi tuyegereye gukora kumwe ibintu byinshi no kurebera umbyo moyo kandi turire umurango bagira ngo ibindi byo nanza kuyemereza tija twatanzanye kandi nshaba umukama kangaye kweza project y'umusha wahatura heze kwanza ikinyiza nacho mchezesha bishara ya project ejo tukunze uburiza nawe ni Patrick Venerable kandi nowe akwebera all saints aifa nawe ijayo n'utaratano kanano omwerezi ijayo na milioni emwe beno mcheze sha kama hango shows bona tekakusima aba project ipango okuramzamu kakimsa kakeze kitibisa kandi tekakusima rurembo bitu Mbarara tereza stay nyanzu mpangi inayeruza kuzaho mukama tushaho mu kasoro terezo musha n'abakereza yiwono bakereza musha kandi rurembo bitu na Uganda yitu yongere tugendo mesho usimwe kandi ukamwitiriza Kristo kama witu omushabara ngoshobozi bona eight n'umwana oyokwera wengere guma na bishop wengere guma na parish priest wengere guma na kachikaka kwebembera mu rugomeka wengere guma nambona bakayo show many to tena kati eyo
Mbarara wafisha na chikisho kwetu chinchizi wechawe na bwana mkuru Father Ben secretary kasha kafuta kanisa ukaje kuwahizi Bishop Mwesigwa kutoka. Thank you very much Father Ben kutoka Daruguko
waweza kufunga umugisha kwa Bishop Sheldon tokereza ziyasi ya milioni 10 mwenu ka ofisi itukora mu milioni 10 akarwakana ziya
ofisi ya treasury bana kidasi ya terese nyomyo Father Ben mugarike mutero mungaro Sister Benina n'umusita wo kubanza kutura hagati ya tawo n'Uganda Martyrs
that is being put up. We have come here to support, and we give thanks to God that Mbarara is a city, and therefore whatever is done in the city should be of a higher level and a higher standard of spiritual significance. So we thank God that the Roman Catholics are putting up this big church, and so we came to support them. And we know that the word of God says, unless the Lord builds, the builders build in vain. We have led a prayer for them so that they can be successful in their project. And it is always important that we are in unison, in unity of harmony as Anglicans, as Catholics, and even members of other faiths.